Hi guys, welcome to this short video about the question what you have to do when you have installed such a valve. Here we have the Fluidmaster 400A, and after you have installed it there is still some water flowing or running down here on the side. I had this just about 2 weeks ago. I've replaced the old valve, this one here, and everything was working really nice. It was emptying, coming up, the floater coming up and closing the valve. Everything looked good, but at the very end there was still some water flowing down, and I've been a little bit worried if I could just tighten it and it would work, or if it was a real malfunction, has to be returned. And so what I did, I removed this. Of course, to do anything here you have to turn off the water underneath the toilet. After that you can remove this gray part here. You can just pull it to the back, and then you can open this cap here from underneath. Then you have access to the cap, and then you can tighten it a little bit clockwise and then secure everything and turn on the water. And usually there shouldn't be any water flowing anymore, at least in my case. I've been a little bit worried that maybe the problem could come back because it would be a defective valve, but it is actually not, or it looks like it is not. So I would definitely not return it, just open everything, tighten it and put everything back and then start it again, and then usually it will work. This has been here for around 2 or 3 weeks and the problem hasn't been coming back, so I think it's not a problem. It's just when the cap here inside, or the cap cover of the valve, when it's not properly turned to the right side. When you have turned off the water and there is no pressure on the cap, it is very loose. You can just lightly turn it to the right side. It feels like it's unsafe, but it's actually not. I think when the water pressure is coming back, it will secure everything and you don't have to be worried that it gets loose again. So for me, it definitely seems to work, and I'll leave it like that, and I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.